What's up, YouTube? So if you've seen my last video, which you probably didn't, I got a new truck, and it's a 2015 F150 Lariat. But in this video, we're going to be talking about the Raptor style grill that you can get on Amazon, the one that says DOOD or whatever, and you can buy the numbers or the letters that separate. Anyway, this one has the letters separate. It's the cheapest one I can find on Amazon, $100, 99 cents, shipped. It isn't an Amazon affiliate link that I'll link below, so you should buy something through it. You don't even have to buy this grill, just buy something and it helps, so that's cool. But let's get it opened and I'll show you what it looks like. It wasn't very nicely taped. It came almost unboxed by itself. So inside it looks like it's not hurt, so that would be good. These are probably going to be the letters. So I've saved you the trouble of watching me struggle to unbox that box one-handed. So this, the F and the R to make the grill safe forward. So let's go ahead and pull the grill out and see what it looks like. My dogs are wondering what's going on with all this stuff. But here is the grill. It's got the lights in it. It does say DODD or DOOD or whatever. But that's why you have these letters, so you'll have to replace them to make it safe forward. It does come with pretty nice connectors on this wiring harness, which you probably can't tell. But that is for those lights to work. I do already have the aftermarket headlights, so this should be pretty good. I'll show you the back of it real quick. It seems pretty decent quality for just $100. Alright, so here is the grill with the F and the R installed and the lights hooked up. I think it's going to look pretty good. The quality seems pretty good. The back of it looks pretty nice. I mean, all it's got nice connectors and everything. There's the screws that hold the two letters on. So if you like this video, hit the like button. If you want to see a how to install video, hit the subscribe button. Follow me on Instagram and Snapchat, link in the description and on the screen. And you should subscribe because I'm trying to get 10,000 subscribers, so that'd be cool. And yeah, I'll catch you next time. Peace out.